Hey everyone, ever had a user report they've been blocked from your site but you have no idea why? They send you a Ray ID and it looks like gibberish, but that ID is actually the key to your entire investigation. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use that Ray ID within the Cloudflare dashboard to uncover the who, what, and why of any blocked request. Let's head over to the Security tab. First, log in to your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you're working on. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Security menu. Click it to expand the options and select Events. This is your master log, where every single security action, from firewall blocks to bot challenges, is recorded in real time. You'll see a graph of all your traffic and a list of activity below it. Searching through thousands of requests manually is impossible, so we're going to use the filtering tool. This allows us to cut through the noise and find that one specific needle in the haystack provided by your user. Click the plus Add Filter button at the top of the list. In the first drop-down menu labeled Field, scroll down or simply type Ray ID to select it. In the Value field, paste the exact string of characters the user sent you. Once you hit Apply, the dashboard will refresh to show you only that specific event. Now, click on the event to expand the details. You can see the user's IP address, their browser type, and most importantly, the service mode. This tells you exactly which part of Cloudflare stopped them, whether it was the web application firewall, a custom firewall rule, or even an IP reputation block. Armed with this info, you can now see the specific rule ID that was triggered. From here, you can click to edit that rule or create an exception so your legitimate users can get back to work. Troubleshooting is that simple when you have the right ID. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.